Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name and English alphabets. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me colors name. Pink, blue, red, brown, orange, black, white. Say with me A. Write with me A. A is for apple. A P L E apple. B. Write with me B. B is for bat. B A T bat. C. C is for cat. C A T cat. D. Write with me D. D is for doll. D O double L doll. Say with me E. Write with me E. E is for egg. E double G egg. Say with me F. Write with me F. F is for flower. F L O W E R flower. G. Write with me G. G is for green. G R E N green. H. H is for house. H O U S E house. I. Write with me I. I is for ice. I C E ice. J. J is for jug. J U G jug. K. Write with me K. K is for king. K I N G king. L. Write with me L. L is for lion. L I O N lion. M. Write with me M. M is for man. M A N man. N. N is for net. N E T net. O. Write with me O. O is for orange. O R A N G E orange. P. Write with me. Fee. Fee is for fen. F-E-E-N. Fen. Q. Q is for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R. R is for rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. S. S is for sun. S-U-N. Sun. T. T. T is for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. U. Write with me. U. U is for unit. U-N-I-T. Unit. V. V is for van. V-A-N. Van. W. W is for water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. X. X is for X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. Y. Y is for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Say with me. G. G is for zebra. Write with me. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Subscribe for more video.